Hey guys, welcome to my video. Thanks for tuning in today. Today I'm going to talk about hot cloth cleansers. They seem to be all the rage these days, so I thought I'd do a video post on it. So I'm going to start off first of all by talking about everyone's favourite, the Eve Lom hot cloth cleanser. This was the original cleanser, hot cloth cleanser. It was launched in Space NK by facialist Eve Lom. This is a lovely sort of balm cleanser. Pop it all over your face. It dissolves all your makeup, waterproof eye makeup as well. And then you take this sort of muslin cloth until all the makeup is removed and the cloth comes away clean. And it really is that simple. Now that principle is the same with all the cleansers that I'm going to talk about just now. They're all the same hot cloth cleansers. You can go over with your cloth again a couple of times until all the makeup is removed. I like the Eve Lom one very much. It's not for everybody. It contains clove oil, which is quite strong. For some people, that's a little bit medicinal, but you know what? I like it. It's good stuff. It does contain mineral oil, so that's something to watch out for if you know you're anti-mineral oil. So one thing to point out, when you're using a flannel or when you're using a muslin, that the effect of using that on your skin acts as a natural sort of exfoliant. You don't need to use any kind of exfoliant if you're using that, because that is very mildly exfoliating effect on your skin, and your skin does feel lovely and bright. Okay, the next one I want to talk about is this one by Vitage. This is called the Essential Cleansing Balm. This is a beautiful product. I really like this product. This contains rose oil, neroli oil. You really get that sensorial experience with this. It's lovely, rich, emollient balm cleanser. It smells lovely. It just dissolves your makeup away, and it comes with this lovely sort of fluffy flannel. This is also a massage oil, can you believe it? So it doubles up, which is quite nice to have in your bathroom to use as a cleanser and as a massage balm as well. Brilliant stuff, great. And now I'm going to show you how to use a balm cleanser. I'm going to use this lovely one by Vitage and show you how simple it is. So you just take a little amount like that. Warm it between your fingertips. And massage it into the skin. Guys, this is brilliant. I love it. It's fantastic. My skin feels lovely. This is brilliant. For £36, this has got to be my number one. So the next one I'm going to talk about is the Earle. The Earle Cleanse and Polish. It's been compared extensively to the Eve Lom, but in my opinion, they are completely different. The Eve Lom one is much more oily when you put it on. The Cleanse and Polish is not as oily, although it's still nourishing. It's got cocoa butter, essential oils, beeswax. And so you massage it on, it smells very pleasant, and take it off with the hot cloth. It leaves your skin feeling nice and clean without feeling squeaky. There's no residue. As I said, this is it's a travel size. It comes in a pump dispenser, which is nice and hygienic and useful, and that's about £15 or thereabouts, which is very good value for money. And I would definitely, you know, give that my seal of approval. I'd definitely give it my thumbs up. I like that very much. So I've covered my premium products there, which I like very much, and I'm going to go on to more sort of affordable high street brands to show you. So the first one I've got here is this one by Superdrug. This was £2.95. I think it's normally £5.95 or thereabouts. This is on promotion, which is always a bonus. This has got fruit extracts, it's got cocoa butter, it's cruelty-free, all of those things, which is lovely. It was nice, but not wow. I guess it would compare in texture to the Earle one. As I said, it did the same job. It cleaned my skin. My skin didn't feel, you know, taut in any way. It didn't leave any residue. It was nice. It smelt fairly pleasant, but it just didn't have the edge, I guess, that the Earle one had. But for the price point, I think it's brilliant. Okay. Next is a good old-fashioned favourite, probably used by your grandmother or your mother, the Pond's Cold Cream. This is a multi-purpose cream. It's brilliant, let's face it. It's nice to have in your bathroom cabinet. It's about £3.50, £3.25 or thereabouts. You can pick it up in Boots. It's a nice cream, a nice all-purpose cream. Smells very pleasant, and you know I'm big on smell, so the sensorial experience is there. It does contain mineral oil, but it is lanolin free. This is probably the original hot cloth cleanser. It's just nobody called it a hot cloth cleanser. It's quite rich, massage it into your skin, take it off with cotton pads if you want, or use a hot flannel or a hot muslin cloth, remove your makeup, comes off beautifully. Brilliant. And for the price, you know, you can't really go wrong. Last but not least, we have my coconut oil. I love this stuff. I use it in cooking now and again. It's got vitamin E, it is healing, it's full of antioxidants, it's brilliant for your skin. I love this stuff, and I love it as a cleanser in particular. In terms of price, you know, £2, it's brilliant. I literally took a tiny amount, massaged it onto my skin, removed it with a hot cloth, everything came off, and my skin felt so smooth. I can't tell you how smooth it felt the next day. It's just brilliant. This is a natural product. It's got antioxidants and all sorts of goodies which are brilliant for your skin. I guess the same could be said of almond oil, of sunflower oil, maybe rapeseed oil even, other nut oils. There's no reason why you can't use them. They all are emollient, they will dissolve your makeup, and if you remove them with a hot cloth, you really can't go wrong. You have to bear in mind, I've got very dry skin, so this was great for me and left my skin feeling lovely and hydrated. You know, if you've got oily skin or acne-prone skin, it might not be the right product for you, but really, you've got nothing to lose. Just rate your kitchen cupboards and see what oils you've got and try. So I think, to summarise, I think the Vitage is my absolute favourite, but if that's not in your budget, the Earle comes out pretty much high as well. It's pretty good for £15. And really, if you're broke, the coconut oil is brilliant, honestly. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that review. Do take a trip down to the shops. There's loads of them. There's one in Aldi which is permanently sold out. There is a lovely one by Marks and Spencer's. They do a really nice rose one. Number 7's got a great one. There's loads of them out there. Just try something and I'm sure you will find something that is great for your budget. These are just easy to use cleansers. There's nothing like using a flannel on your skin. So give it a go. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you've got any comments, please leave them in the description box below. If you've got any other cleansers, maybe that I haven't come across or haven't mentioned in this video, maybe mention them and I'd love to try them. It's always nice to work together and share ideas. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps me. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And otherwise, I will